Imagine that, we've got yet another beautiful 250 rolling out shop today. This one's going on man Craig. He's got a couple goodies on this bad boy, guys, so let's check it out. First off, single axle trailer package. We got the 6,000 pound brake axle back there. Guys, y'all know the deal. We build all of our trailers in-house. Let me tell you something, we build them right, okay? Powder coated finish, double frame rail. I mean, this is a hell of a trailer right here, guys. Let me tell you something, I know trailers, okay? Guarantee that. We got storage up front. Y'all didn't come here for the trailer, right? Came here for the pit. 250 gallon offset with the counterweights. Guys, you don't have to have the counterweights, right? But they are nice, okay? They absolutely are nice. If I was to build me one, I'd probably get counterweights, just to let y'all know. Top sliding trays, that is standard in every pit we build. I don't care if it's a propane tank, backyard smoker, top grates, they come standard, all right? Bottom grates in here are removable. We do have a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain. Now the grease drain, y'all can't see it. It's down there, I'm looking at it. Well, right now I'm looking at y'all, looking at it right now. Grease drains included. Fold down stack is standard equipment. Now, guys, let's take a minute out of our day, talk about the patina finish on this pit. Okay, guys, this is our standard patina finish. What that means, we've got a huge, very huge collection of propane tanks, all right? Something we're very proud of here at TMG Pits. We will send you pictures of all those. You pick your pit out. It may have a cool sticker on it, just like Craig's happened to, all right? We do all of our metal work, clean it up, clear coat it. Now we call it the patina finish because yes, the clear coat is going to continue to patina over time, guys. It's not going to stay just like this. It will patina. That's why we call it patina finish. Just makes sense, I know. Heavy duty, 1/8 inch steel fenders, all right? None of that flimsy crap y'all see on these other trailers. Come around the firebox, fully insulated firebox, 3/8 stick pipe on the inside here. Doors insulated, front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. Just makes this pit run like a dream, I'll tell you what. Come around back here, we've got one of our stainless prep tops. Plenty of storage underneath, throw your wood in there, throw your cooler under there. Fold it down, lock it up, boom, prep off of it, serve off of it, you're ready to go. Now next to that, my man Craig has added a 48 inch Santa Maria grill, all right? Raise and lower your cooking grate, double doors here to tend your fire, all 1/4 inch plate steel. I mean, do I really need to say any more, guys? Built-in grease traps, front and rear. Not only that, Craig said, guys, I may want to add a fryer in the future. We got you, Craig. Got you a spot for your fryer, a little bit of storage up front, and that finishes off Craig's trailer. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom trailer rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.